Hey guys, thank you so much for being here to watch my video. Today's tutorial is going to be a little bit different. I'm doing a voiceover because I figured it would quicken the whole video process of filming and editing so that I could get this up before moving and before Thanksgiving. So let's go ahead and dive right in. So of course, to begin, I am starting with my Monat Be Balanced Lightweight Moisturizer. I love this stuff. And of course, for primer, going in with my Kin + Austin Mattifying and Protecting Primer. So for foundation, I picked up this Giorgio Armani Power Fabric in the shade 5.5. This was 50% off, and I have been loving it. It's very long wearing, and it matches my self-tan very well. Of course, going in with my OG Colourpop No Filter in the shade Light 12. Also recently, I have been loving the Beauty Bakery sponges to blend out my liquid makeup. And of course, my Too Faced Peach Perfect Mattifying Powder. I already have the rest of my makeup packed away because we move on the 24th. We are so excited, you guys. Anywho, here is my rusty yet trusty Makeup Revolution Ultra Contour Palette. So I have been contouring my nose with my finger lately and I've loved it. But I found this Bare Minerals brush on the TJ Maxx website. So I bought it to contour my cheekbones and temples. Also from TJ Maxx, I got lucky and found this Nars Laguna bronzer. Lately, I've been going in with Tarte's Paaarty blush. I just love the shade of this all over again. I've also re-fallen in love with the Jaclyn Cosmetics Flash Highlighting Palette. I even want it on my clothes because I just love it that much. Achoo! Okay, just kidding, I'm having too much fun with this. Anyways, going in with the Colourpop Brow Boss Eyebrow Pencil in the shade Dark Brown. Now for the exciting part, I'm going in with the Colourpop Good As Gold eyeshadow palette. I've seriously wanted to film a tutorial with this for almost a year now. So starting with the shade State of Mind, I'm just setting my lids with this, buffing it into my creases, and also putting a little bit on my lower lash line. Then with the shade Bold Rush, I am going to be just buffing this into my creases and the outer part of my eye. Also a little bit underneath my eyes as well. And going in with the shade Big Brooch, I will be patting this on the outer part of my eye and again just a little bit on my lower lash line. Now for the really fun part, I will be patting Golden Touch all over my lids with my finger. Topping it off with 24K in my inner corners. Going in with more of the shade Sparks from the highlighting palette, I'm just dusting this on my brow bones. Now going in with my Sephora Black Liquid Liner, I'm forming just a little baby wing with this. For my waterline, going in with my Colourpop Cream Gel Liner. Doing a quick coat of the Marc Jacobs Velvet Nior Mascara. And declumping my lashes with the J.Cat Beauty Lash Comb. Using my Morphe setting spray. And going in with my Lilly lashes in the style Doha. I'm actually really liking this whole voiceover thing. How fun would it be to make Elijah do a fiance does my voiceover one day? My lashes were giving me some grief when I was applying them, so I'm just going in to touch up the eyeliner on top of them, and then I will also be touching up my waterline again. I love this eyelash comb. It's such a great trick for blending in your natural lashes with the fake ones. Time for lips. Oh, you guys, I'm so excited. I am going in with my yearly favorite, Hempz Minted Sugar and Spice Nutmeg Lip Balm. Scent is to die for this time of year, and it's so hydrating. And my new fave, Colourpop's Cool BFF Lip Liner. And Dose of Colors Sand Matte Liquid Lip is also a rediscovered favorite. Finishing off my lips with the Bite Beauty French Press Lip Gloss on the shade Flat White. And that finishes off this Golden Glam holiday tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and hit that subscribe button down below, and I'll see you next time.